the whole game was to do particularly three key factors. Number one, of course, we want to have lots of fun because we are always busy with teams solving so many complex problems for the companies to make the company more productive and effective around Vietnam and different companies, right? So we want to have a lot of fun. That's number one thing. Number two thing is about, as we wanted to solve problems, so we wanted to think critically. So that's why we want to give an opportunity for the team to think critically outside their work. So through the activities in the game, they have been thinking critically to solve different puzzles and try to get to their diamonds and get to win. And I'm so happy that one of the team actually won the game before the deadline. Number three is about the leadership. The leadership is such a very interesting thing to do, right? Leaders are great elements. They're not really doing into it directly the work, but they are the cheese in the hamburger, which is the really very important and gluey thing. We're gluing all the different muscle into the companies and driving together and become the seamless personality too as well, and drive and getting things done. So that's why the leadership is so much important, because alone we could do so little, but when you work together about trying to solve any problem, it's so unreasonable for us to become failed about this one. And even if you failed one time, it's so unreasonable, right? So the goal is about how do we can work together, how do we can allocate our goals, break it down to our missions, and allocate the right people to the team, and we take the right action and right step together so we can win. So that's the third thing, is about building the teamwork, which is the core value of our team as well too. And that's the three things we really focus about building this game.